students, welcome to Smart World. Today we will do chapter 17, My Upbringing. Can you tell what do you see in these pictures? What are the kids in the pictures learning from the grown-ups? We learn many different things while we are growing up. They lead to the development of certain habits, likes and dislikes. They shape our views and thoughts. This is what is known as our upbringing. You must have seen photographs of your childhood. You begin to crawl. You learned how to walk and how to talk. And apart from this, you learned many more things. How to brush your teeth, how to bath, how to eat without spilling, how to behave with people older than you. You learned many more things besides these basic ones. How to fill your school bag, how to ride a bicycle, how to play a cell phone game, when to feed the cattle, how to buy groceries, how to behave with strangers. The list can go on and on. How did you learn all these things? Who taught you all these things? Sorry. You must have learned many of these things from your parents and relatives. Holding your hands, our parents teach us to walk. They teach us how to behave and how to talk to others. When we make mistakes, they show how to correct them. They want us to become good people. How does a lion cub learn how to hunt? A lion cub is not able to hunt as soon as it is born. It is taught how to hunt by its mother and other lionesses in the pride. These cubs are quite helpless for about the first 2 weeks. They do not even open their eyes. Therefore, their mother keeps them hiding away from others. When the cubs are about 8 weeks of age, they are introduced to the other members of the pride. All the lionesses take care of the cubs. A cub is pampered by all of them until it is 3 months old. Then it begins to learn how to hunt. It takes 2 to 3 years for a cub to become adept at hunting. Our loved ones too try to see that we developed good habits. Our close relatives like our grandparents, uncles and aunts who have great affections for us. We learned many things from them too. People who are close to us teach us how to carry out our own tasks ourselves. They appreciate it when we can do all these things properly. They commend us saying that we have grown up. Do you know? Have you heard the name Hali Raghunath Baraf or Sameep Anil Pandit? Hali is a girl from Shahapur Taluka in Thane district. Hali rescued her older sister from a leopard. Sameep rescued buffaloes tied in a cowshed from a fire. For these brave acts, the two were felicitated with the National Bravery Award by Prime Minister of India in 2013. Can you tell? What did you learn from your parents and relatives? Make a list. How did you learn these things? Think about it. Do you know Baba Amte spent his entire life in social service? His lifelong goal was to serve people suffering from leprosy and also other handicapped people and to help them stand on their own feet. In this mission, he was helped immensely by his wife, Sadhanatai. His work is being carried on by his sons and his daughters-in-law. Now, even the third generation of the Amte family is carrying on this mission. This example of social service carried on relentlessly relentlessly by three generations of a family is really inspiring. Everything that we learn is not taught to us by somebody. We pick up many things through observation and through exposure. How do our friends speak? What clothes they wear? What games they play? How do they study? We pick up many things from these unconsciously. Unconsciously, many times we also begin to behave like our friends. These parents have come from parent teacher meeting at school. See what they say to each other. Earlier, Renuka never ate her vegetables. Now that she has started going to school, she eats everything without a fuss. Ever since Zoya, Shilpa, and Gail have become friends, they ride their bicycles together every evening. I'm happy that they all get enough exercise. Ever since Prathamesh has become friends with Salman and Boman, he has started taking a lot of interest in maths. Can you tell what do you like about your friends? What do you not like? What would you like to learn from your friends? We are influenced by many people around us just as we are influenced by by our friends. We meet our neighbors every day for some reason or other. We observe their ways of behaving, speech, and eating habits from up close. This too has an influence on our upbringing. If people from another place happen to be our neighbors, we naturally get to know about their food and festival which may be different from ours. This is how we become familiar with diversity. Many of our neighbors know us from our childhood. They too feel affectionate towards us. We learn some good habits from our neighbors too. Our neighbors also influence our upbringing. Pratap. This is my neighbor. He likes to go for a walk every morning. I called him Ajoba. Sometimes I go to the hill with him. Hina. This is my neighbor. She is very old. Even then, she sweeps her front yard every day without fail. She does her own work herself. Because of her, I realized that we all must be self-reliant. Supriya. Didi living next to us loves to read. She often gives me nice storybooks to read. Like Pratap, Hina, and Supriya, have you learnt anything from your neighbors? Write about it in your notebook. What we have learned. The many things we learn as we grow up together make our upbringing. Our parents and close relatives play an important role in our upbringing. We also learn many things from our friends and neighbors. We learn from the conscious efforts taken to make us good people. We also learn through observation and exposure. Exercises. Fill in the blanks. Our loved ones tried hard to see that we develop dash habits. Our neighbors also influence our dash. Answer in one sentence. How do we develop certain likes and dislikes? How do we learn about diversity? Guess who? Dash climbs the hill with the Ajoba next door. Supriya loves to read because of her dash. The lady next door taught Dash about self-reliance. Activity. Find other pictures and stories about girls and boys who have won a bravery award. Make a list of the new things that your friends have learned during vacation. Thank you.